Hi everybody, happy Monday. I wanted to come on with a coaching tip for today. So I noticed over the past week or so that I felt a little bit tired, not in the sense that I was dragging during the day, but that at night I was like done. And I also noticed that I wasn't feeling super energized to write a lot as much as I usually do, or to like create anything new. So like any new webinars or challenges, etc. And so I know that this is pretty common for a lot of energy healers and coaches because I have friends and we talk. But I've noticed that a lot of people don't really talk about it. And so I wanted to just come on and share this as the coaching tip for today. So the coaching tip comes from my own life. And so the distinction is really the difference between depression and decompression. So depression is something completely different. But when I go through this phase of just feeling a little tired or not super energized to write or create new things, is that the mind can very easily go into judging that as depression. And so my mind may start saying things like, oh my gosh, what's wrong? You know, what's going to happen with things if you don't keep creating? What can you do to change it? And so when I notice myself going there, I just pause and I start to move into self-forgiveness of all the judgments, of all the beliefs, of all the stories and thoughts that I'm telling myself, because they're really not true and they make me exhausted. And so that allows me to have the space to move into what is true. And then once I'm able to move into the space of what is true, I'm actually able to then start creating and dropping into that energy that I'm deeply desiring, which was, I'm not in a state of depression, I'm in a state of decompression. And so in the state of decompression, it's really that you've just moved through a big transition. So we have moved through a big transition personally. And so it took a lot of energy and life force to hold that space. And so now that I'm in a different space, my body can actually start decompressing, grounding back down, restoring. And so I'm just offering this to you as some encouragement that maybe before you start judging or telling yourself that you're wrong or that you're depressed or that there's something bad happening inside of you, that you could just be moving through a state of decompression and your body and your energy is desiring a regrounding. So I hope this is helpful and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.